We basically considered solar for two specific reasons. One, our corporate social responsibility to reduce our carbon footprint. And the second one was to reduce our exposure to electricity increases in such a volatile market. We're one of the world's largest publisher and distributor of children's books as part of the Scholastic Group. Our fundamental objective is to inspire a love of reading and learning in kids everywhere. We also believe that minimising our environmental impact is our responsibility, driving us to continually investigate ways to reduce our carbon footprint through environmental initiatives. Being a distribution centre, there's quite a number of staff which move around the site as well. Fortunately, we were able to work on the weekends, so Smart helped us to be able to crane the equipment up onto the roof outside of business hours, and then throughout the working day, Smart provided barricades around the area to keep themselves and our staff here safe as well. Smart Commercial Solar have been easy to deal with throughout the entire installation, and they knew the product and it was a seamless installation for us. They provided us with the confidence that we would have a successful, timely, cost-effective installation.